What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, like every other video, I need to request everyone to please like, please comment, share, subscribe, slap the bell icon, all that good stuff. Let's get these views up, these numbers up, the subscribers up, everything up. But yeah, people, so I've done quite a few Tech Fleece reviews. I've done black, I've done grey, I've done black and grey, so that's one tracksuit. I've done khaki, there's a bunch I've done, so a good 4-5 reviews. This color I saw similar but different, but it's subtle, but it's nice. Let's just get into it. So online, some websites say black, some say grey. I'm gonna say black and grey with a hint of gold. Let's just have a look at it. Let's rip open the bag first. And what I love to do is I love to try, leave the joggers there and pull the bag off. So let's try and see if that works this time, or is it going to be a fail? Yep, that was a fail, but we move. So we've got the grey, dark grey jogging bottoms with the gold swoosh. They are slim fit, taper leg, regular length. So it's got pockets on both sides. That all special extra pocket with that kind of taped outside. Very important pocket. Very important pocket. So this pair, the joggers, is like basically all dark grey. There's no like split material, there's not two colours on there, it's just all dark grey with the gold swoosh, a little bit of black, so the strings and the little pocket or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's just a quick show of the joggers. I really like this colour, to be honest. It's a nice colour, grey, good for the winter. And yeah, so that's the joggers. Let's have a look at the hoodie, because the hoodie is slightly similar, slightly different. Let's pop these pieces of tape off, and let's just spin it around and try to do the same thing. That was a fail again. So that's 2 for 2 fails. So we have here the Nike Tech Fleece. I'd like to say the windbreaker style Tech Fleece, the one with the zip. The good Tech Fleece, the one I really like. So just a quick run around. It's got a bit of a mark there. I'm not happy about that. I just seen it. That's not good. So this will definitely be returned, and I need a new one. I need a replacement, whatever you want to call it. So we'll start from the top. Hood. It's got that 4-panel hood. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice, comfortable hood. No strings in the hood, so you can't make it tight or anything. It's just the normal hood how it comes. And then it's got the zip with the little reflective extra piece on it. These hoodies back in the day, they did come with strings in the hood. I don't know why they changed that. It's up to them. I just remember buying them with strings in the hood way back in the day, when the Tech Fleece first came out. So the second bit we've got is the upper part, which is grey with the gold Nike swoosh. Then we've got that tape that they will have on the windbreaker style ones, and then it's black. Then what I see as well is then it's got like grey on the bottom, like right near the waistband. And then what happens is it just goes grey all on the back, up on the shoulder area, and then split on the arm. So there is a bit of black on the arm. So the black and grey one I have is similar to this but quite different, as you know, it's split colours but it's not this many split colours. Like this is quite different to that one. The all important, the thing that we need the most, just because it looks nice, I will never use this pocket. So it's just, you know, something that looks nice. I like it on the arm, on the CP companies, on different things. I just want something, you know, there, a little style, a little design, whatever you want to call it, just something that looks good. So it just makes it a bit more, you know, better than plain old boring. The inside, similar, black and grey. This is the standard Tech Fleece. It's not any winter edition or anything like that. So, you know, it's just the plain same material, everything. I don't know if I prefer the overhead hoodies like the Tech Fleece or if I prefer the zip ones. Honestly, I love them both. I don't love the price point. So at around £200 for a tracksuit, that is extortionate rate. But what we do, we just ignore it and we keep on going. But yeah, definitely a really nice colorway, a really nice tracksuit. It's quite subtle, but it does, like, it's different. It's not like a plain black or plain grey. It's not loud. It's very subtle, very good, you know, winter colorway, definitely for me. That's all I really got to say in terms of review and stuff. As always, I just got to finish off the video by requesting everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. In terms of comments, just leave a comment if you like it. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you've got one. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me if you rate it. Tell me if you'd wear it. Tell me if you're wearing it. Whatever you want to talk about. Check out all the other Tech Fleece videos also. What I'll do is I'll make a playlist and put it on the main page. So it's easy just to see, look, Tech Fleece reviews all on the main page. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell me if you like it, if you hate it, if you rate it, if you'd wear it, if you want it. But yeah, that's all from me for today. Take care, people.